pretty much, and it just need to cure in 30 seconds. So I'm go ahead and apply it completely on entire nails. You can do on a half nails, you can do it on the half of the nails, you can do it's like 1/3 of the nails, however you would like. And then we are going to cure for 30 seconds. And here's the image I got from a number 41's transfer voice box. It has so many holos panzo, so I'm excited. I really like this flowers as well. I'm almost doing it, but then we're gonna do it in the next video with the other Velvetty Gel. So we are going to see if you are seeing this is some of the like have a clear image. Sometimes it's hard to see, so all you need to do is just keep a nice on one side is really shiny and the other one it looks matte finish. So I'm gonna put the matte right on the nails and then shiny is right on the top like this. So then that way it will transfer all the image in there. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Rachel is from YouTube. Jessie, hello, thank you so much. Rachel and Jessie from YouTube. Thank you, thank you. Happy Saturday. Hope you are having a fabulous Saturday. All right, I'm gonna give it a really good press down. Give it a good rub, and sometimes my hands right now is feeling really slippery because I just put the cuticle oils on my fingernails and then just removes it off and it transfer completely. You see it right there. And if you are having a really hard time with troubleshooting, this is premium eye hole transfer foil will be your bestie pretty much and back you up every single time. So now if you don't want anything else on, you're really happy with this, which is this is really cute. I love it. For a lot of you who's doing a lot of works with, you know, like all some medical fields or office that you don't want any crystal, anything is was being spilled texture in your tops, it's going to be a great way alternative to still have some cute nail art on, but then you don't have to worry about it's gonna raising up on the nails. For a lot of you who love to get more bling ons and add more crystal on, it's gonna be a great way to add some more crystal on the top of the transfer foil. So I'm gonna using, of course, the 3 steps methods, which is condensed glue gel, no web top coat, and precision glue gels. So now if you are not going to keep the nail shiny, you want the nails to be matte, all you need to do it differently to swap this no web top coat to the matte top coat. So it's really depend on you, and then it depend on your, you know, like just for your preference. So whatever you want to do, just make sure you are happy with this. So if you don't do a shiny no web top coat, you can definitely doing it matte no white top coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and using twin tip brush and pick up just a little bit of the condensed glue gels. This is the standard condensed glue gel. We just launching the really thick condensed glue gels with the thicker formula, so then you can able to hold down your crystal, the charm, and your chains. Is really amazing, and also is hold like especially for big 3D crystals. So we are go ahead and using no web top coat, but because we are going to using the centerpiece here, but it's, you know, guess what happened is this on this centerpiece, I love this one so much. It's not only it give it a lot of cute designs already, also this one is one of the way to keep give you like save you time, because it's already have a frames and it's already have some of sort of crystal in there. So I'm gonna use that, incorporate with my ultimate crystal kits. Then organize all everything. Okay, good. Ultimate Crystal Kids, and this is a perfect combination. I'm so happy at the ends. And then you can using the, I believe that you can using your e-gift cards. The e-gift card work with everything, yeah? Yeah, oh my god, e-gift cards. You get e-gift cards and it's gonna be definitely is a great way. So I'm gonna move this one on the side because I might accidentally knock it like up. So I'm gonna go ahead and using this had the perfect ultimate perfect crystal kit. It has pretty much everything I needed it. I'm gonna like that. I'm in the mood of getting a cute frame underneath here. That's so cute. And then you can use any colors you want to. So I might be doing this one because there's so many different colors in this ultimate crystal kits. And you will never go wrong with this. Whatever you pick, it's gonna be really cute. Ah, that is cool. So I'm using is basically this is Bahamas color. I think it's one of my really favorites one. You see me doing a lot with Bahamas and Ruby Rose. So cute, huh? So here's a really important, and it's so simple. It's also feel like it's really difficult, but it's always easy. All you need to do is you getting your centerpiece, which in this beautiful design, the centerpiece is your frame, and then the centerpiece or whatever you pick. If you don't have the frame right here, definitely you can add any other centerpiece from Ultimate Crystal Kits perfect combination to add it on as the middle and a centerpiece. You can do it on a close to the cuticle, so you can do it diagonals, however precision you want it to be. So I'm gonna add, and then after that you're gonna add your crystal SS, which is in this kit. It has so many of different sizes, which is from size SS3 all the way to SS20. So then you can able to add so many more of the crystal of the choice. You can add the sizes, you can have the colors. So I'm gonna add one more. What did I just drop? And then, of course, the frame is everything in this kit. It has so many frame and big beads and smaller beads. So then I can able to use those and add them on like between crystals. And also between the frame and charms. So if you don't want any of the frames or any beads, any charms on, definitely you can go ahead and cure. If you want is to get some of the frames on it to make it looks really nice and it like you are doing a piece of purse or a piece of jewelry together. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all the crystal on, and then remember, as long as you keep your crystals really nice and close together, they're really close and tight together, your design will never I would say go out of style. So it's always stay in the range of really nice and I guess trendy. You see that how they just connect together, and it's really simple. You just place them and it's really close together. Okay.
Thank you for everyone asking. So Nancy using our crystal trifecta method for crystal. So we're gonna have our condensed glue gel at the base, along with no white top coat flow over top. Then you put everything in. It will keep everything stay in place just like you see. And once everything is nice, done and cured, you're gonna have precision glue gel on top. Make sure nothing catching.
Yes, I love it. And you can see that it's either I'm doing, oops, sorry. Maybe I should move the kids, like looks better like that. The best thing about condensed glue gel, no white top coat, which is the Trifecta, it will not going to set. I mean, it's not going to cure and dry until I am place it under the LED lamp. I love the looks of background. It gives us a little bit of hints of like hollows, and also the crystal is definitely super cute. So now if you're happy with the designs, you don't want to add anything on, you can add more as you prefer. If you do not want anything else, you can definitely start queuing this under the LED lights for 60 seconds. We're going to do a double secure using the Precision Glue Gel shortly. Oh, I'm just kicked it for just a second. Awesome. 60 seconds here.